Why isn't working? I already turned the key on, but it won't start. Oh, maybe the fuse is broken? Hi, I am Ismi from grade 12 Science 2. Today I will share some tips on how to fix this problem. First, I need pliers, screwdriver, and size 8 wrench. Step 1. Open the trunk with the ignition key. Step 2. Remove the plastic cover with a screwdriver. Step 3. Take off the seat with the size 8 wrench.
Together, something that could really last forever.
Step 4. Check the main fuse compartment.
All my friends wanna be in her bed, and I begin to wonder why. I guess that I'd be lying.
Step 5. Check the fuse box for spare fuse. Replace the broken fuse with a new one.
What the fuck is a girlfriend? I'ma need advice. Maybe I should go outside so I could get a fucking life. I made a friend and she spent the night, and now I made love and she remained in my life. Back when we spoke in Europe, I need insurance on my emotions. I can't get hurt again. Then they all make me sad, and I had no time to prepare to face my fears. I guess that it's time that I dry these tears. But if I could just be happy by the end of this song. But if by the time you hear it,
Step 7. Close everything in the same order.
And it didn't go to plan, then why should I continue in this life when there's no one around to be the one who makes me smile? But so far everything's good. Says so far everything's good.
Finally, it works. That's my tip for today. Thank you.
Want the crowd in tears when they hear this. Is that so wrong?